Hi everyone, welcome back to the TurboSite channel. We'd like to pronounce that Kylone Transcoding Edition and Kylone IPTV Edition support to import third-party EPG sources. In this video, we will give you a quick guide on how to use third-party EPG sources in the TBS8510 Pro with the Kylone Transcoding Edition. After logging into the Kylone management interface, go to the system page. You'll see the EPG sources in third-party module. Click New Record and paste a URL from a trusted third-party EPG provider. Kylone supports importing EPG data in XMLTV format. Then click Probe. You'll see the channel lists which are with EPG. After we put these channels to the stream, Kylone will map the EPG source to the channels automatically. We've already added these channels to the stream. Let's have a look in the status page. That's it. For more tips and tutorials, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you.